A few years ago, I met someone who seemed to have it all: the perfect job, a comfortable lifestyle, and an air of financial security. Yet, as our conversation unfolded, a different reality emerged: hidden debt, perpetual financial stress, and a daily struggle to make ends meet. This encounter served as a wake-up call, opening my eyes to the stark contrast between appearances and actualities. Today, we're delving into a topic that might hit close to home for many because, let's face it, the truth about our financial well-being can be uncomfortable. Most people shy away from these discussions, preferring to keep their financial challenges hidden. But here at the Finance Virtuoso, we believe in confronting uncomfortable truths for growth and empowerment. If you're ready to explore the hidden realities of financial struggles and discover ways to break free from poverty behaviors, you're in the right place. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel, where we talk about all things finance. For your daily dose of valuable information on money, business, investments, and savings, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. So what are the signs you're poor and how to fix it? Let's start with number 1. Dependence on credit cards. Credit cards, when used responsibly, can be beneficial for building credit and managing finances. However, constant reliance on them for basic expenses is a sign of financial trouble. If you're finding yourself swiping your card to cover day-to-day costs, it's crucial to take immediate action. To address this issue, start by creating a detailed list of your monthly expenses. Add an extra 20% to cover savings or investments. Once you've determined your financial needs, the next step is finding additional sources of income. The ultimate goal is to eliminate the need for credit cards to cover your basic living expenses. Remember, using credit cards as a substitute for a lack of income can lead to a cycle of debt, with interest rates accumulating over time. Following these steps will allow you to regain control of your finances and break free from the dependence on credit cards. Number 2. Struggling with basic bills. The inability to cover essential bills is a clear indicator of a financial crisis. When you find yourself prioritizing bills or negotiating payment schedules, it's time to reassess your financial strategy. Start by identifying ways to reduce your overall expenses. This might involve downsizing your living situation, adopting energy-saving practices, or minimizing water usage. Additionally, consider selling assets or making lifestyle changes, like cutting cable TV or dining out less frequently. These small adjustments can make a significant impact on your financial situation. If unpaid bills from previous months are accumulating, it's crucial to address these immediately to avoid long-term consequences. If you take proactive steps to reduce your financial burden, you can regain control and work towards financial stability. Number 3. Living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is a precarious situation that can lead to financial instability. If every dollar is spent as soon as it hits your account, leaving no room for savings or unexpected expenses, it's time for a financial intervention. The solution lies in exploring additional streams of income or upgrading your skills to qualify for higher-paying opportunities. This might involve taking on extra work, pursuing educational courses, or seeking career advancement. Increasing your income could result in breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and building a more secure financial foundation. Number 4. Having a poor mindset. Your mindset plays a critical role in determining your financial success. Being poor mentally can eventually manifest as financial instability. It's not just about the money you have, it's about how you manage it. Cultivating a positive financial mindset is essential for long-term success. Recognize the impact of your thoughts on your financial behavior. It's not uncommon to see individuals with significant wealth lose it due to a poor mindset. If you could acknowledge the importance of a positive outlook, you can pave the way for better financial decision-making. Number 5. No room to cut down expenses. When you've reached a point where there's nothing left to cut down on your expenses, it's a sign of a financial emergency. This situation requires immediate attention and decisive action. Consider drastic measures such as moving to a more cost-effective living arrangement. If possible, explore temporary living arrangements with friends or family to minimize costs. Simultaneously, focus on working extra hours or taking on additional jobs to increase your income. You can create a financial buffer and prevent further deterioration by making significant life changes. Number 6. Lack of assets. Your net worth, which includes assets minus liabilities, is a crucial indicator of financial health. If you lack substantial savings, investments, or valuable possessions, it's time to start building your financial portfolio. Begin by saving and investing to increase your net worth. Explore options for homeownership and consider acquiring assets that appreciate in value. Building a diverse portfolio is key to long-term financial success. It's never too late to start accumulating assets and securing your financial future. Number 7. Inability to handle emergencies. Financial security involves the ability to handle unexpected emergencies. Without a financial safety net, you may find yourself in a vulnerable position when faced with sudden expenses. Create an emergency fund by setting aside a small percentage of your income regularly. This fund acts as a financial cushion, providing security in times of crisis. Whether it's a sudden layoff, medical emergency, or unexpected car repair, having an emergency fund ensures that you can navigate these situations without compromising your financial stability. Number 8. Constant worry about money. If money problems are keeping you up at night, it's a clear sign of financial stress. Instead of succumbing to worry, channel that energy into productive actions to improve your financial situation. Create a budget to gain a clear understanding of your financial situation. Identify areas where you can make more money, whether through additional income streams or a side hustle. Take proactive steps so you can transform worry into motivation for positive change. Number 9. Lack of financial goal. Shaving no financial goals is a red flag that you're merely existing without a clear plan for the future. Financial goals provide direction and purpose to your financial journey. Take a day to sit down and create a list of short-term and long-term financial goals. Define the steps needed to achieve these goals and set a realistic timeline. This exercise not only provides clarity, but also serves as a roadmap for your financial success. Remember, getting rich involves a combination of factors, but staying broke is a choice. By making informed decisions and taking the right steps today, you'll thank yourself in the future. All right, that concludes today's discussion on breaking free from poverty behaviors. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Wishing you all the best on your financial journey, Finance Virtuoso. I'll see you in the next one.